Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It's Mantis. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a product from WizKids, DC Heroclix Mantis. And this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure, and you can see it's an exclusive figure. On the left side, we see the sculpt. On the right side, the same sculpt. And yes, it's still the same at the back. This product is for 14 years old and up. Okay, let's try to have it focus. Okay, and this was released 2024. Okay, so this product is going out to a local player here in the Philippines, but of course we're gonna open it to make sure that everything is in order. Okay, sometimes I keep it sealed to give that boxing experience to the buyer, but at times I check because I don't want the buyer to feel that the items have not been checked or and then return it to me. Okay, and also for content. Okay, it's hard to run a YouTube channel. You need to have continuous content. It's fine. So here we have the figure Mantis. Okay, he's green and yellow like Electro. Okay, I don't know anything about him as a character, but let's find out together. Okay, his card, he has the cosmic team ability, okay, which is good. Set number DCP24-019. Keywords are Apocalypse, New Gods, Secret Society of Supervillains, Brute, Cosmic Deity, and Warrior. So that means, can only mean one thing. He's a minion of Darkseid. So he has a trait, Apocalypse demands my service once per attack. When a friendly character with the Apocalypse keyword and a greater point value than Mantis would be hit by an opponent's attack, most likely Darkseid. If Mantis isn't a target of that attack, you may place him adjacent to that character. Mantis becomes the hit target of that attack instead. So it's a shared trait from the Parademons, if I'm not mistaken. And he has a second trait, Energy Absorption. Mantis starts the game on click number 4. Okay, click number 4. Okay. Still energy, but with close or range attacks. When Mantis uses it, he may heal past his starting line. Okay, that's interesting. Especially with the Alien Hunger one shot. Okay, and a special movement power, my own boom tube. Facing teleport. Facing teleport is free, but only to move up to 3 squares. That's nice. Hero name is Mantis. Appearance is Mr. Miracle number 1, 2017. He's only 40 points. Starts off at click number 4. On that click, he has the special movement. Does it say? Okay, facing teleport 3. Okay, so it's a bit of a running shot, I guess. Move 3 for free and then make an attack, a costed attack. So he has energy shield deflection. Yes. He has energy explosion and range combat expert. Okay, so really good, because that means you, and with 6 range to target. Okay, that's a bit long for even in today's standards. So he'll be able to do the first hit, and that means he can do still energy even on range. Okay, so a high possibility that he moves to click number 3 on his first salvo. Okay, so if you're able to make him reach click number 1, meaning heal 3, he will also have that special movement power of facing teleport, but now comes with penetrating psychic blast, impervious, and close combat expert. Okay, but he is a warrior, so you can already equip him with a broadsword, a long sword rather, for free. But you might want to give him a reducer because he doesn't have any reducer at the lower at this 40-point line. Okay, so it's a glass cannon in that sense, but if you're able to really heal him up, he can serve more demands from Apocalypse. Okay, but what do you guys think? Have you tried using this particular figure? Did you make a team already? If you did, then please share your thoughts on the comments. And until the next video, bye!